Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting for you. The ultimate smart home setup. Top products to transform your home. Get ready to witness cutting. Edgy gadgets that will revolutionize the way you live. First up, we have the heart of your smart home. A smart speaker with a built-in voice assistant. Meet the Amazon Echo, the Google Nest Hub, or any other smart speaker of your choice. It responds to your voice commands, plays music, answers questions, and controls all your other smart devices. Next, let's add some ambiance with a smart lighting system. Say goodbye to traditional bulbs and embrace the Philips Hue. With color-changing capabilities and voice control, you can set the mood for any occasion. From cozy movie nights to vibrant parties, keep your home comfortable and energy. Efficient with a smart thermostat like the Nest Learning Thermostat. It learns your preferences and adjusts the temperature accordingly, saving you money on your energy bills. Boost your home security with a smart doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell lets you see and talk to visitors remotely, giving you peace of mind even when you're away. Speaking of security, let's take it a step further with smart security cameras like the Arlo Pro. Monitor your home both indoors and outdoors with high-definition video and two-way audio. Never worry about forgetting your keys again. The August Smart Lock Pro allows keyless entry and remote access, so you can control your door from anywhere using your smartphone. Now, let's make your regular appliances smart. With Teep Link Casa smart plugs, you can turn any device into a smart device, controlling them remotely with your phone. Upgrade your entertainment experience with a smart TV like the LG OLED TV with ThinkA. Enjoy voice control and seamless streaming of your favorite shows and movies. Say hello to the future of cleaning with the Roomba Isavain. This smart vacuum robot will keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger. And last but not least, bring everything together with a smart home hub like the Samsung SmartThings Hub. It acts as the central command center, allowing you to control and manage all your smart devices from one place. And there you have it, the ultimate smart home setup. With these top products, you can transform your home into a connected and efficient living space. Embrace the power of smart technology and elevate your daily life like never before. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.